Sanmonani, and welcome back to another video where we look at some of your interesting takes and, in this case, theories that some of the fans have when it comes to uthando nesithembu, ingane zisithembu. Guysini, the streets are talking. Some of the fans have not been able to forget the mystery lady that was spotted kneeling by the car kwi-episode yokuqala yeingane zesithembu season 3. Fans also spotted the mystery lady holding hands with Usibindi on that photo, as you can see there. So people really went in the comment section and they started analyzing their lady's hands, arms, the body shape, even the earrings that Ugeli is wearing outside of that car. So this one fan posted anonymously on Facebook, ngoba yes guys, he or she was going to get dragged if bekhombisa ubuso bakhe, so wathi nje makazifihle ukuze asho lento ayicabangayo. So anonymous uthena yena-ke, she thinks that the first wife of uMpumelelo Mseleko is none other than uNosipho Umacele. As you can see there, uNosipho is wearing a ring on her left hand. This picture was posted a few months ago, and people were saying that these photos were taken on her lobola negotiations, but it could be just a family ceremony of some sort. But manje ngixakwa i-ring ukuthi how girl, you are wearing a ring. So people kept saying, look at the body shape, the shape of her face. Abantu ke bathi ke ufana ncamashina lo geli oguqe emotweni. And apparently some people did comment under that post bebuza ukuthi uyena yini ngempela lo uzoshada noMpumelelo Mseleko na. And that comment received no likes, no recognition whatsoever. Then there's this recent picture that she posted a few days ago. Ugeli looking absolutely stunning. Into engithandayo about this lady is that she's very elegant indlela agqoka ngayo. Nje you can tell nje ukuthi she comes from a good family, and she also recently graduated with an honors degree, which is amazing. And kesana, people commented under that post as well, asking ukuthi is she Mpumelelo's chosen first wife kaMseleko? And again, my ignore your comedy. So I'm just like, what is the truth ngempela? Because even nasemzumbe, people are not coming out and clearing ama rumors. They are just letting people decide for themselves ukuthi bacabangani. But ke niyazi ke abantu ku Facebook ukuthi bayakhuluma ke abayibekile phansi. Omunye nje uthi angivumi nje akuyena uNosipho lo, omunye naye uthi akavumi. Kanti ke uthando uthi yena seningasho nje ukuthi uMpumelelo animfuni, kodwa indaba zakhe niyazithanda, shame alishoni ningakhulumanga ngazo, which is true guys. If you go on to Facebook, if they are not speaking about uMseleko, they are speaking about Usibindi, hayibo sana. And then kusasa bazothi nje Usibindi this, Usibindi that. Hayibo guys, clearly Usibindi unawo ama-fans, and uqinisile mayethi bazoze bethi baba enganeni. Omunye ke uthi nacela ningibhekise une-ring uNosipho, and then aphendule ku-anonymous ethi yebo nami ngididiswa iringi, and then amphendule athi yiyo, shuthi vele huye ngempela uNosipho. Ukhanyisa yena uthi uyena ngempela, uMamelo uthi no, it's not her. And then uThenji uthi manini asilinde sizobona kahle. Then uMatsidisa uthi uNosipho ubena 19 yini last year. Yabona nje sana, mina I was part of those people who were saying ukuthi it's neither uVuyo, it's neither uTirelo, it's neither any of the other exes that we have seen before. I feel like it's a completely different person. But this post, the anonymous, like eqhathanisa the body shape of uNosipho and that lady who is kneeling before the car, and I'm just like, guys, maybe there is a point there, but I'm not completely convinced. But either way, I am so glad ukuthi there is some sort of progress kulesi sithembu sakhe Sibindi, because sengikhathele nje mina indaba yalo mjolo neingane hambe breaker and everything. It's going to be nice to see him finally making an honest woman of these ladies athi uyawathanda ufuna ukwakha nawo. It's unfortunate ukuthi khona sebazalisile but nothing has been done, there's no progress, bahlukana kanjalo. But I hope and pray ukuthi nje there is progress, abashade bakithi ukuthi nabo they can honestly start building their lives from a place of being a married woman, icace nje into yabo ingalokhu edlala njengey'ngane zabantu.